I have a question for you. Do you own the Orange Lobster Nike SB Dunk Lows? If you do, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you do not own this sneaker, please put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns the Orange Lobsters and who does not, because these were a huge problem and hard to cop. The Orange Lobster Nike SB Dunks are a problem. New giveaway for the Lost and Found Jordan 1s for the month of January. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment down below. Please let me know your size in the Lost and Founds. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof that you did everything. I just gave away a pair of Lost and Founds for December. Here is the giveaway winner. Shoutouts to you for winning a free pair of Lost and Founds. So now, new giveaway. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and good luck on a free pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s. I have to give away another pair because you guys seem to love the Lost and Founds. Please make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. So please make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Let's run up the likes on this video. Let's get 500 likes. That would be amazing. Now let's check out these Orange Lobster Dunks because, yeah, these are a problem and gonna remain a future problem. We gotta talk about Resale. These are one crazy release. I get asked a lot about sole protectors. Danny, where can I get sole protectors? Well, I got you guys covered with Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. You guys can apply Drip Grip to the bottom of your sneaker, wear the sneaker as much as you want, peel off the Drip Grip after a bunch of wears. There's no slips, no tears with Drip Grip sole protectors, and when you peel it off, the bottom will look brand new, keeping the resale value high, keeping the bottom of your sneaker in great condition, and prevent yellowing, dirt, mold, anything crazy getting on the bottom of your shoe. Drip Grip sole protectors got you covered. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, check out Drip Grip, and don't forget to use my promo code DANNY10 for 10% off your order from the best sole protectors on the market. Sneakerheads, check this out. This is my Sole Premise backpack that holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers. There's even room on the bottom of the bag as well for more sneakers. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. There's also front compartments of the bag as well. Sole Premise has a bunch of sneaker bags. They're all TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the airplane and do not have to check them in, which is awesome. All their bags are designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. Be sure to click my link down below in the description, check out Sole Premise, and use my code DANNYMOORE for 40% off your entire order. From the best sneaker bags in the game, I highly recommend Sole Premise. They're amazing bags and great quality. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. The Orange Lobster Nike SB. Every time Concepts links with Nike for their Lobster series, it's a problem and will be a huge future problem. Prices, if you ask me, will go up on the Orange Lobster. I have to tell you guys how I got this pair. I did a great trade, if you ask me. I traded a pair of Lost and Founds for the Orange Lobsters. Both size 12, even swap. I think I won on the trade. Let me know what you guys think about that trade down below in the comments. Here they are, the Orange Lobster Nike SB. And yes, the bands are black. Silver for the special box, the special edition, which is going to be a huge problem in the future because those are going to skyrocket. Resale on special box is like over $900, and I think it's going to skyrocket up. We'll see it at like $1,400, $1,500, which is crazy. But yeah, here they are, the Orange Lobster with the black bands. This is the general release version. More general release, they're still limited as hell. It is the Orange Lobster. It is the Lobster series. I am so thrilled to finally have a Lobster in my possession. It's been years in the making for me personally to have this Lobster sneaker in my hands because I never had them. I've always missed out. I always never just paid resale, and then resale skyrocketed on all the pairs, green, purple, all of them. Don't even talk about red or blue. Don't even get me started on yellow, the friends and family. So, yeah, Orange Lobster. Had to pick them up now before it was too late. And I recommend you guys do the same if you truly want this sneaker. these, in my opinion, will go up. I think, if you ask me, this is just my opinion, not financial advice, just my opinion, I think it's a guarantee that these are going to go up. Hear me out, here's why. Take a look at prices of all the other lobsters. They were all $300-$400 sneakers, and boom, next thing you know, they skyrocket to over $1,000. They're already a low to 400s, all the way up to over $600 sneaker, depending on size. The bigger size you go, the more money they are. That's a problem within itself. I wanted to jump in here real quick for the giveaway, for the Lost and Founds, the new giveaway. Make sure you guys like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Lost and Founds. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. That link is down below in the description, and DM me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck. This is the giveaway for the month of January. I'll be picking the winner the beginning of February. Good luck on a free pair of Lost and Founds. The orange lobster, if you ask me, will be a huge future problem price-wise. Resale-wise, they're going up. I think it's a given. This is just my opinion. Once again, not financial advice, but hey, I think it's a good investment. It's a great pair of sneakers. Now let's get into the details. We have to. Here they come with black bands on this release, which is nice. Now the quality is very, very nice. Nice soft suede on the toe. Very nice materials used on this sneaker. And I must say, that swoosh is sick in person. It does have like some black effect going on to it. You do have the orange into the black, which is really nice. And I really like the orange pair. Much better than the purple. Much better than the green. To me, these are one of the best ones because this is what an actual lobster looks like. The common lobster is like an orangish red color. Right? It's not really, you do have blue, there is like a rare blue lobster, there's like a rare green lobster and all these other colors, and the yellow is like the most rarest actual lobster, but the orange, this color is the most realistic to an actual lobster. They do come with some extra laces if you want to swap it out, so you do have orange, and you do have these teal. I personally would just keep the white in. I think it is the cleanest look. You do have Nike SB on the fat tongue. It is a Nike SB. Personally, I like Nike SBs much better than regular Nike Dunks. Quality-wise, story-wise, material-wise, everything, if you ask me, is just better on Nike SB Dunk Lows compared to regular Nike Dunk Lows. Now, we have to talk about this release because the release was actual trash, right? The shoe is great. Great wearable, great out there sneaker. It's very loud. Right, but the release was terrible. We have to talk about the release from Concepts. It was trash. Couldn't even enter. A lot of people could not even enter, myself included. Could not even enter that raffle. It was trash. Sneakers app, we know how that went. L for most people. So yeah, definitely a limited sneaker. Nike SBs are actually very limited for the most part. Nike doesn't do a crap ton of Nike SBs when they release them, and they go to skate shops. We know how that works with backdooring and everything. So these were tough. These were definitely tough to get your hands on for retail. Resale has dropped a little bit, but I think now's the time to buy. I think now might be the time to buy. You can wait it out a little bit if you want to, but I definitely see them a little bit over time going up in price, and I don't think it'll take too long for the orange lobsters to creep up, because it is the lobster after all, and we're apparently getting a white lobster later this year. If that's true, expect these to go up, and expect those white ones to be hard as hell to get as well. Orange lobsters, what a release. I'm so happy to have these. The details, the story, everything about the Lobster series is just awesome, and I could not pass up this opportunity to get these, first of all, for that trade, but buy them now in general while the prices are low, because look at the rest of the Lobster series. I think it's inevitable. Orange lobsters are going to be a huge future problem. They're a problem now, but in the future, bigger problem when that price skyrockets. Were these the Nike SB of 2022? In my opinion, yes, without a doubt. This was the best Nike SB dunk of the year. Easily, if you ask me. Orange lobsters are fire. Straight fire. The orange lobsters are a problem and will be a major problem in the near future. Make sure you guys cop before it's too late. The orange lobsters, fire. Straight fire. And I'm so happy to finally have a lobster, man. This feels so good. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. It really does help the video and help me out. Thank you guys so much for smashing that like button and smashing that subscribe button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire, straight fire. The orange lobs are fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.